Hi, welcome to the installation guide for the Cync Wafer Smart Downlight, which gives you smart control like scheduling, preset scenes, voice and out-of-home control, and more of recessed lighting, with millions of colors and white tones to choose from. Before you begin, we ask you to please read through the warning page of the installation guide and to follow the steps very carefully. If you do not feel comfortable handling lighting electrical systems, please hire a qualified electrician. Also, to prevent wiring damage or abrasion, do not expose wiring to edges of sheet metal or other sharp objects. Note, Cync Wafer downlights are not compatible with traditional dimmer switches. You can dim lights using the Cync app, powered by Savant, or by installing Cync Smart Dimmers on the same circuit as your wafer downlights. In the packaging, you'll find a junction box, an integrated LED trim, 3 wire nuts, an installation guide, and a hole template. You'll also need a strain relief, which is sold separately. Plus, make sure you have a hammer, a flathead screwdriver, a drywall saw, or a hole saw that's either 4 1/4 or 6 1/4 inch diameter, depending on the size of the wafer downlight you purchased, safety glasses, a voltage tester, needle nose pliers, and a ladder. Ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Before you do anything else, turn off the power source at the main circuit breaker. Next, determine the position of your downlight and use the hole template to trace the hole size, or mark the center in that location. Then, using a drywall or hole saw and the right size bit, make your hole. On the junction box, use a hammer and a screwdriver to remove the knockout. And open the junction box to access the wires. Attach the strain relief, which is sold separately, into the knockout hole. Then, before you continue, use a voltage tester to ensure the power is off, and route the wires through. Now connect the wires. Black goes to black, white to white, and green to green, or bare copper. Secure the wires with the wire nuts by turning it clockwise and gently pulling on the wire to test the connection. Once your wires are securely connected, place the junction box in the ceiling through the hole. Then connect the light and the junction box by screwing the connectors together. Now hold the spring clips against the fixture and gently guide it into the ceiling until the clips snap into place. After your fixture is in place, turn the power back on at the power source to make sure everything is working correctly. Then complete the setup process in the Cync app to get full smart control of your recessed lighting. So that's it. We hope this product takes convenient lighting to new heights. Enjoy.